the people were fainting and falling, and everybody forgot the death sentence. Lot of likes and dislikes were completely forgotten. Yes, the hell which was too disgusting, there born a very bad person. In his rule, he gave death sentence to everybody. Most of the people were tortured with his bad things and evil things. Nobody knew what was happening. He who blamed everybody, he is the Rakhadan.
Tell me,
Sir,
what happened?
Inspector is on the way to our station, sir.
The world is the same for both humans and animals. When some lust-crazed humans turn into animals, if a policeman catches them, he will put them in jail. But I'm not like that. Only if punishments are severe will crimes decrease. Yes, I'm Ajmal, Inspector of Police. Transfers are not new to me. Usually, I finish the cases that come to me myself. This case came to me after 6 months of suspension. It didn't seek any conclusion. Hello?
Ajmal, in your jurisdiction they have committed double murder. For the investigation, I have appointed you as a special officer. Join right now and report immediately.
Okay, sir. I'll start immediately.
Sir, they have committed double murder, sir. They have brutally assaulted and killed them, sir. Among the deceased, one is Arjun, sir. One more is the Spars MD, Austin, sir. One more is unconscious in the hospital. His name, Alex. Treatment is going on, sir.
Come, let's go.
Hello. Please wait here. Please don't enter inside.
Which location?
Investigation is going on.
Second floor, sir.
Silence!
Where are the dead bodies?
Bodies has been sent to postmortem, sir. Doctor will be informing to you shortly, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
In here, sir.
You all stay outside only.
Okay, sir.
Ensure you collect all the evidences. And I don't want the crime scene to be contaminated, yeah?
Okay, sure, sir.
Hello? Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Doctor is online, sir.
Hello, doctor.
Hello.
Is he stable?
No, Steve. Heavy dose. We have to wait for 48 hours more for him to be conscious.
Okay, thank you. Who was the one who saw it first?
Sir, office cleaning staffs were the ones to see. Should I call them once, sir?
Can you assemble everyone who actually works here?
Okay, sir.
And also, I want the list of all the employees working here.
Yes, sir.
And do it as soon as possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Only this much, huh?
2 or 3 numbers absent, sir.
When are they going to come?
Within 2 days.
Okay. Sir, these are the staffs, sir.
Sit down, please. Please sit. Who all are seniors here? How many years you are working here?
I'm working since 3 years, sir.
What's your name?
Pratima.
Pratima, out of these people, I want to know who all are staff.
All these are newly recruited staff, sir. They are working in the intern period, sir.
Is Arjun your client?
No, sir. He's our model.
So if it's a spa, what is the model doing here?
Our owner is not running only spa. He is running a model agency also. He is running a beauty pageant also. And not only that, he is doing lot of ramp shows also. So that for our models, they will get elite client contacts also. And they will grow in the fashion industry. And they will get an amount to survive also. And due to this, our business will really go on well. So it's like a win-win theory.
Take your seats, please.
Okay, sir.
Are the CCTVs working here? I need the footages.
Sir?
Money,
Sir?
please go check the footages.
Okay, sir. Come on.
Wait. Ask.
Sir, leaving the 2 people who died, he's the 3rd person who was inside is the murderer. Was this murder done for a girl, sir?
After coming back to work, what do you respond about this case, sir?
Guys. I'm not a writer. I'm not a gambler. Without proper investigation and evidences, just because you guys are asking so many questions, I cannot tell you nonsense. Got it? That's it. Thank you. Yeah. Let's move. Let's move.
Sir, there was an inquiry on you. What happened, sir?
It's not yet over. The one who died, he was my neighbor.
Oh, sorry, sir.
No. Why are you sorry? I shot him intentionally. He was supposed to die.
Hello?
Hey, that girl present in that video.
Yeah.
I was the one who told she's Arjun's lover. What should I do right now?
Sir. A girl saying Arjun's lover has come to the spot, sir. What to do now, sir? Let her come to station.
No. Let her not come there. You make her sit in the nearby coffee
Okay,
shop.
sir.
Make sure not to leak any information to
Okay,
the
sir.
media. No. Please sit. Hey. Hey, are you okay? You need to calm down. Have some water, please. Look at me. Anyway, you have to tell me something.
Arjun, Alex.
Hey. Tell him.
You tell.
Shut up and you tell him.
Please. Please.
Ask Arjun to follow
Ah.
me. I'm going. Tell him to be careful.
Hey, Alex.
You guys are constantly quarreling. Why are you guys together right now?
Hey, tell him.
Alex, we wanted to. Hey, you only tell him.
Okay, I will only tell him. The thing is, since childhood we have all been together, then we didn't know anything. But got to know only now the reason behind the fight between us.
You guys keep talking. I'll go get the bike, okay?
Hey, wait!
Hey, what?
Huh? What I wanted to say is, I'm in love with Arjun. Wait, Arjun, I'm coming!
Start the vehicle.
Bro, you have been roaming around thinking about photo shoots and all. I have been observing you closely. I don't think she's perfect for you, man.
Hey, how will it happen? You tell me, man.
Bro, if my friend is a cinema hero, I'm very proud of it, man. But why are you roaming around as model and all, man?
Hey, you have been watching all nonsense movies. That's why you don't know what is modeling, man. Today, the heroes that you see in the movies, they were also models like me.
Okay, you can go now.
Hey, you also come with me.
Yo, your mustache uncle will be mocking around. I can't bear that. You leave me alone. I'll meet you later.
Hey, you got caught. That's all. Hey, phone is ringing. Can't you take?
Hey, I was in the middle of a photo shoot. Mom, I didn't know this. You didn't tell me before.
After everything finished, he has come. I don't know why he has come also. Hey, just leave that. Come here. Hey, even we don't know, Ra. Uncle bought them suddenly. I was feeling so shy, you know.
Do you like him?
Hey, what if I like Elda? Okay, listen. Amma is very angry on you. You console her. There are so many kids in this village. Even I have got one. He is a waste fellow. When people are coming to see his own sister, he is roaming everywhere for photo shoots. Huh. The guy who came didn't even say he don't like her. He said he likes her. They're asking 15 pounds gold. What will I do? Your father left me halfway. He is one waste fellow. Mom, don't scold my brother. My brother takes care of me well only. Hey, you shut your mouth, yeah. He can't even give 2,000 a month and you are caring for him. Until I can, I will do. When I can't, I and my kids will drink poison and die.
Okay, I'll come back.
Take this pen and try to sell it within 5 minutes. In that case, I will appoint you.
Sir, if this pen is with a judge, it'll give a good judgment. If it's in a doctor's hand, it will give lot of prescriptions. In case if it is a writer, it will give lot of good knowledge. Now if the pen is in your hand, it would change the fate of lot of guys who are looking for job like me. Please buy it, sir.
Living behind his passion, Arjun went in search of a job for his family, but he was not sure of getting one. Even though he went for a job, his passion about modeling kept him tensed. He was always stressed out. Whenever there is a problem, the only place he went for.
What happened right now?
I am the problem here. I feel like I'm mad. I can't go to these jobs anymore. Hey, I want to become a model.
So what now? Oh, your girl told that you're beautiful, don't go to job and all. First think about your sister's wedding, then you can do whatever you want.
Hey, no, brother. I've made my decision. I'll talk to my girlfriend about this, but you have to talk to my parents and somehow convince them, man. Please do this.
You have to talk about your problems, brother. You have all the things in your life. That's the reason you don't know the value. Only I know the value of it. Please go out.
Hey, Alex. Please do this. Please understand my feelings. Please, dude.
Hey, get out, man.
Shit.
Hey, your guy is coming.
Why is your shirt so dirty?
Nothing.
Huh? I can see it in your face only. Tell me what happened.
I just fell down.
You fell down. You got hurt or what?
No, nothing.
Why are you sad? What's your problem now?
I'm not able to do this marketing job, Ananya. Wherever I go, I keep thinking about modeling. I'm not able to do anything. I feel like I should die now.
Chee! Are you not ashamed to talk like this? Your father would have left you all for the trust he had on you, right? Also, your sister loved you so much that she always spoke about you, right? And also your mother. She has started telling everybody that just because you got the job, they are able to live happily now. You're not worried about us at all. You're just worried about yourself. Look, Arjun, I'm not expecting anything that a girl expects basically also. No girls like a person who has no trust. It is the same here. Try to understand, Arjun. I understand your situation. First of all, stop behaving like a small boy. Everything will go well. Shall we leave?
Let's go.
Nobody can predict that this day will change our life forever. Same happened with me. Just because I was angry, I thought I'll take him to the regular place we went to console him. And because I had his phone, I saw his mail first.
What happened, Ananya? I told you I'll go to this job, right? Then why are you upset even now? Let's finish Anu's marriage now. After that, we can think about us. Now, please come, Ananya. Let's go. It's getting late now. What happened?
You have become model now.
The person you're trying is not reachable. Please try after. The person you're trying is not reachable.
What happened?
I'm trying to call Alex. He's not picking the call.
Oh, yeah. Alex hasn't come yet.
Hey bro, you please leave, man. Bus has come.
Before going, I thought I'll talk to him once. Without meeting him, how can I go, man?
That and all I'll handle. You leave now.
Wait, no.
Huh?
I will try calling him.
Hey, please leave me, man. Please leave.
Where are you from?
Leave me,
Who
man.
sent you here?
Alex.
What are you looking at?
Please. No, please.
You showed me your colors, right?
Don't harm me.
You die.
No. No, let me go. No.
Die, man.
Hey, Alex.
Tell me,
Hey bro,
Can't
come
you
here.
receive phone calls?
what's
You
the
tried
issue
so
right
many
now?
times. Did he pick the
Arjun
call?
is
As
leaving
soon as
now.
she called him, he picked it up. As the way you think Alex is not good, man. He's flirting with your girl.
Hey! He's my friend. Not just for me, even for her. Since childhood, we three have been together itself. Don't you know that? If you talk about him like this one more time, I'll kill you.
Hey, leave me, man. You're fighting for him and questioning me here. What do you mean by friend, man? If he is friend, what about me? Don't go blind calling him as friend. One day he'll backstab you. Then you'll understand. If I tell you,
Hey.
you won't understand. Hey,
Hey.
get lost, man.
What happened to you?
Just leave him. What did Alex say?
He's held up with some work, it seems.
Thought of meeting him once before leaving.
Okay, forget it. Now you leave. He will call you. That day Arjun was upset as Alex did not come. But I really don't know why Alex had not come.
Sir,
Yes.
a model named Arjun is waiting, sir. Can I call him inside, sir?
Bring him inside.
Okay, sir. Thank you. You can go inside.
Okay.
Sit down.
Sir.
Arjun, do you know why I selected you?
Sir?
You have the ability for this job. Can you stand up, please? Wow. Good. Nice physique. Good personality. Sit, 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 sit. Sit. Arjun, your starting salary is 50,000 rupees. Plus, you'll get incentives. Is that good enough for you?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. I will give you an appointment letter. Naveen, come inside the cabin.
Sir,
Come in. Naveen, this is Arjun,
Sir.
newly appointed. Take care of
I
him.
will take care, sir. Please come.
Naveen,
Sir?
tell Buddhi to train Arjun properly.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Good luck, Arjun.
Thank you.
So, this is Arjun, our new trainee at level 1. Sir told you to train him for the event.
What's your name?
I'm Arjun, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Trichy.
Yeah, okay.
Buddhi, sir, everybody's
Take it.
details are with me only. Including Arjun, you have to
Yeah,
train 10
okay.
people, sir. Shall I
Shall we
send
go?
them, sir?
Come.
Just bring them.
Please
Okay,
come
sir.
with me.
Now I have got job. I'm happy is what he said to me, sir.
After that,
I was really happy that Arjun got his dream job. After a few days, I saw Alex.
What happened to the
Are you
tire,
going
man?
to the movie
Change it as
today?
soon as
Hey,
possible.
what
I
are you
really don't know what
saying?
to do right
No, then
now.
what's
Let's
the
see what
problem?
happens.
That's what I
Ananya.
was trying to say.
I'll go back. Okay, dear, you
Ah,
talk and
okay.
come.
Hey, Alex, what are you doing here?
Nothing.
Oh, Alex, I wanted to show you something. Where is it? Ah, look here. How's it? Wonderful, right?
What is that photo?
Nothing at all.
If it's nothing, show it to me.
No.
Will you show it to me or not? I
Hey.
told you to show it to me.
Hey,
this
give
is
back my
an
phone.
I will teach her a lesson.
Give it to me. Get lost.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, stop it, man. Hey, take your hands, man. When I told him no, he didn't believe me.
Hey, I know about him very well. Yeah,
Yeah,
he does a
yeah,
lot of
yeah, I
politics.
know that,
you
I
know.
know that.
What's the next plan? Are we dealing with some show? I am also seeing. Yeah, my MD is not even telling anything. What's the next plan? What happened?
Like always, I thought Arjun is calling normally and received, but
Hello.
yeah, tell me.
you're also not true to me, right?
What are you saying?
Hey, don't try to act.
Arjun is the person who was never angry. For the first time, he started scolding me very badly. That too, saying all bad things about me and Alex together. I couldn't believe that Arjun was talking to me. I don't know who told him what. Since then, he stopped talking to me. After that, I couldn't contact Arjun at all. Somehow, I got to know his location. I thought if I take Alex to him, all the problems would be solved. When I called Alex, he firstly refused to come. But
Show me the meaning of being lonely. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
I'm not interested.
Hey! Drink it. Where did you go?
I will go wherever I wish. Get lost.
You're a big CBCID to investigate things. I care about Arjun more than you, okay? But not now. I'll take a decision right now.
What decision?
I can't leave you in this situation. That is it.
That night, me and Alex left, sir. Oh God, such a big building. My man was so handsome then, but now he's working in such a big company.
Okay, wait here. I'll ask.
He made me to wait outside and he said he'll bring Arjun. But I don't know what happened.
Didn't you understand what I said? Leave now, leave. These people won't be having work to do.
Hey,
Wait. I think he went outside for an important job. You wait for him.
Arjun has gone out with MD. Now you leave. I will bring him is what Alex said, sir. I trusted him and I left immediately from there, sir.
So, that night Alex was not with you?
No, sir. I was all alone. Came and waited in room for a long time. But they both didn't come at all. Alex was also not reachable. Later in news. I came here when I saw the news, sir.
Sir, I got a call from hospital.
What?
Tomorrow we can collect postmortem report, it seems.
We can send this girl now. During inquiry, we can call her back.
Okay, sir.
Arjun!
Hey, you stand here only. What are you saying? Hey, Ananya. Arjun lost his life because of you only. Where is Alex? How come Alex can kill Arjun? He came along with you only. You just considered him as friend, no? Have it. Check this.
May I?
Yeah, please, come in.
Yeah. Special Officer Ajmal.
Hi, sir.
Nice meeting you.
Please, sir. Take this.
Thank you.
Alex has brought this one for your birthday gift. You avoided speaking to him. I don't know. Alex has to come back.
Yeah, tell me, doctor.
It's too complicated, sir. To do the post-mortem, we worked very hard. According to the report, Alex came to the spot when Arjun was killed. The individual who has killed has used two kinds of weapons. We can see such marks on the body. According to my guess, initially the accused has attacked with first weapon. Once when he drops the first weapon, since he had taken drugs, he fell down. After 3 hours only, the accused gained consciousness. But there Austin saw him unconscious. After that, he used a second weapon in order to kill Austin. In this case, if Arjun, he thought he was not dead. In spite of knowing not that, he brutally attacked him. So, Alex was the one who killed both of them. Why is she calling me right now? Hello?
Hello. Sir, it is me,
Ah.
Ananya.
Wait, sir is here. I'll give it to him. Sir, the girl wants to talk, sir.
Hello?
Sir, I feel that Alex would have not killed Arjun because of me, sir.
Why? How can you say that?
Arjun fell in love with me just because of Alex only, sir. And I'm getting to know that only now, sir. Arjun spoke with nobody here because there might have been some other reason, sir.
Okay, I'll check that.
Sir, where should we go right now?
Let's go to the spot.
Okay, sir. Ajmal, sir, the drugs used by them is very rare. The body of the murdered people, they have the same tattoo. So, Alex is the one who killed them.
Money, report file.
I'll give it to you, sir. So, give it to me, sir. Sir.
Kannan,
Sir,
I need the details about this tattoo. Yeah.
Yes. I was the one who killed Arjun.
I took care of both of them like my own children, sir. But I didn't know Alex will murder him.
I think I was the
This
one
Arjun
alone
is a really good
who
person.
He
wants the
was
youth.
always
I don't think
telling that
Alex
he
is a
was
very
going
good
to
man.
house. Caesar is
Yes,
photo
sir.
is
Till you
fine.
have
Maybe
the
Alex is the one
in
who
this modeling
I
field in
don't
order to
know
kill
what
Arjun.
I'm
You
very sure about
can
this
earn a
one
lot of
because
money.
when I look into Alex records, I
What
think
can we do,
he's the one who
without
might
him?
have
How will
killed
we
Arjun.
survive, sir?
He's a
What
pretty
did we
local
do,
gangster, sir.
Please
And he
leave
might
us,
have
sir.
planned this
Leave us,
one.
please leave us, sir.
He alone who wants the youth gains the future. Till you have the youth in this modeling field, you can earn a lot of money. Sir? Sir? Sir, according to us, they're not doing modeling, sir. They're doing escort services using boys, sir.
Ashok Nagar, front view street.
Do you suspect anyone in this case?
Everything is
I
clear.
doubt about my wife, sir.
Everything is clear.
I asked about Arjun's case.
Sorry, sir. It's not about suspicious, sir. I have some doubts about Arjun, sir. Doctor told us that Alex was the one who killed. They fabricated a lie. But Arjun's lover, Ananya, she's arguing that Alex is not the killer. I think between them, there's something going on between them, sir. Sir, did you observe one more thing? Arjun was a good-looking guy and a model too. Sir, there's so much happened in that spa, but the people over there, they have no clue about it, sir. I'm curious about it, sir.
We should not be going behind Alex. He is actually with us, right? We should get more information about Arjun.
Sir, he's actually lying in the mortuary right now. Why is he laughing sarcastically? Oh, maybe he's coming in that route, huh?
Tell ma what exactly happened. Madam, I was going in
Sir.
the night. That's
Sir, Karthik from
suddenly,
cyber crime has arrived.
This happened, ma'am. I didn't even know that. This
Excuse me, sir.
Come, Karthik. Please sit.
yeah, ma'am.
Sir, pen drive.
Money?
Did you go
Take
that
it.
side? Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
I was
this is
going
it,
that
huh?
side only.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
Okay.
as you said, the details retrieved from Arjun mobile is this,
Do you
sir.
have any proof
I
for
could
this?
only record original audios and videos from it, sir. That's all.
Anything useful?
Sorry, sir. Past 3 months' data I couldn't retrieve at all, sir. Because everything in the cloud has been encrypted, sir. I couldn't tell this footage is going to be useful to you, sir. But I have tried my best.
Did you see the suspect?
Can we get any information about Arjun's activities?
Sir, it's very simple. There will be an application called Google Activity in every mobile. When I found it out in his mobile, I couldn't find any mistakes from Arjun's side, sir. And also, it contained lot of modeling videos, sir. And one more thing. He has spoken a lot about Buddhi, a person. Maybe he might be a big person in a fashion industry. A kind of mentor. Maybe he is the guy who helps you.
What name did you say?
Buddhi.
You can leave.
Thank you, sir. Hey, baby. Hey. What happened? It's been heaven. Nice. So sweet. I'll go fresh up and come. You can wait in the car.
Okay.
Okay? I'm some guy. Baby, shall we go?
Yeah, definitely.
Take the vehicle, you idiot.
The most difficult thing to explain in this world is friendship. Yes, friendship. It is not something you learn in school. But if you haven't learned the meaning of true friendship, sorry to say this, you haven't learned anything.
Sir.
Tell me. I know one side of the details about Arjun. I want to know the other side. The ugly side.
Sir, I'll let you know, sir. I'll tell you, sir. I'll tell you. When I first met Arjun, he was an innocent boy. He was a virgin to my industry. I was the one who mentored him. I was the one who guided him. He was very close to me, sir. In our industry, he wished to become very successful. For that, he took a very big step towards it. He tried to sideline me.
Yes, sir. The new models are so amazing and their profile is so good. Can you see that?
Well, actually,
Hey,
you know
Arjun.
what? I was the one
Why
who
are
first
looking
tried
so
to
tired?
Dude,
but later
how are you,
on,
man?
And I just neglected it.
Okay, baby. Take care.
Hi,
Hi.
you handsome.
Thank you.
Call me. Bye.
Did you see that, sir? This is too much, sir. We must take an action.
Hey Arjun, what are you doing? Is this why I trained you?
Hey, what's your problem? What's your problem? Just go away.
Arjun, it is not good.
Now Arjun is everything. You go.
Hey, what the hell?
Hey,
Damn man!
Sir,
What are you doing to me?
no.
what are you doing, sir? Sir, please come, sir.
How
Please.
dare you?
Are you Arjun? Hey,
Hey, Arjun, what are you doing, man? Hey, Arjun.
Wait and watch.
Sir, just
Okay,
look at
Arjun,
this,
cool
sir.
down, cool down.
My goodness, Arjun.
Hey, I'm telling no.
Sorry, sir.
What is this?
Sir, are you okay, sir? Sir?
It's okay, but they relax.
And then,
As always, on that day to our spa, a producer came. On that day, we everyone were waiting for him. Sir, ma'am is coming.
Welcome, Sanjana.
Thank you. How's everything
Good
going?
enough. How was your trip? This is the entire place where the event is going to happen, and those 2 floors have been blocked for work. Can we move?
Okay.
brother, even this year you will become the brand model. I'm very happy for you.
Thanks a lot, Arjun. We must work very hard for this. So, you know.
Yeah, brother. I also want to become a big model. Please help me, brother.
Hey, all these privileges and all very hard to find, you know. For all this, you must have dedication. You can also win.
Hey, I didn't even expect MD will say like this. Now how can we manage it? You be little patient,
talk, you
okay?
come. Sir,
Hmm?
MD sir calling.
Yeah, sure.
Buddhi, not you. Arjun.
You mean,
Yes.
go man. Go. They're calling you, right?
Is it me?
You only. Please come.
What happened?
This year, they have chosen me as the model.
After that incident, I've never spoken to him really, sir. His image and level has changed a lot, sir. Even our MD and many other clients started meeting him, sir. He has started managing everyone, sir. Income started to flow towards him. He got into drugs and many other illegal things. That's all, sir. I know.
He took your possession, that's why you planned and killed Arjun and your MD. Is that right?
Sir, there is nothing like that, sir. After that, they transferred me to the other place, sir. Please, sir, try to understand me, sir.
Hello?
Sir, Alex is conscious right now. You can start the investigation.
Okay, I'll come.
Sir, first floor, room number 103.
Sir, the one who was in coma, he's saying that he was the one who committed the murder. What's going on, sir?
That is what he is accepting, right? Keep quiet.
Do you have any work?
Money.
Sorry, sir.
Alex, I know why you did. Can you tell me how you did? I heard about it. You three have been good friends since childhood, right? Seems like you are in love with her. So then you will not tell anything, right? I know. You will not tell anything, right? Take your time. Take your own sweet time. But let me remind you, you don't have time. You didn't understand, right? I'll not leave anyone.
because my mom is not with me. Sir, lunch is ready.
Go have food. Go.
Asha!
They're calling, right? Go.
Daddy, you also come and eat, Daddy.
Sorry. You go have. I'll come. Go.
Come soon, okay?
Give us more information about your family.
I don't have family. The one who took care of me and sponsored my studies are. That's why my initial is V. Malathik. That's my identity.
Don't get me wrong for asking this question. All the transgenders right now are they're begging in trains and doing other similar stuffs. What's your take on that similar topics?
What do you mean? Men also begging, female also begging. Why transgenders can't beg? What you
To
are
speak
saying?
negatively about Arjun.
Hey, we
he
also
was a
have the
drug
rights
addict,
to
sir.
live, man.
The videos he has
We are
searched
living in
look
here.
similar to it. And also
We are
and the
living in India,
tattoos he has
our country.
something looked
We
strange.
have all the rights to live,
Maybe
man.
it would have been his
It's
identity
so rude,
also.
man. It's so rude.
Definitely, I can really understand your points. And also, I would like to congratulate on speaking about this neighbor's topic.
Daddy, how
Thanks
much
for
should we call
explaining
you?
your
I'll come.
experience to our people. It would be really helpful for them. Sir is on his way. Please keep these files on its rack. Sir. Good morning, sir. Hey,
Sir,
I've told you
sorry,
to
sir.
keep these files
Sorry.
back. What
Yeah,
are you
sir,
doing now?
Sorry.
Sir,
Huh?
files related to Arjun. Everything is here, sir. Please check it once.
I'll check that.
Sir, I forgot to mention.
Huh?
SP sir asked you to call.
I'll do that.
Okay, sir.
In our country, before 100 years ago, there was a person who was ruining everybody. He was very bad. There was a king in another state. He wanted to increase his treasure. He wanted to torture most of the people in that country. There was a surprise which nobody expected. He not only exploited the woman, but he exploited the men too. The same way, in our state, something was spreading very widely, like a poisonous snake. Every state, every country was poisoned. There were so many people who were suffering in the country. The people who were doing modeling, they started using these people and they spoiled our culture and diversity. From that time till this date, the same type of things is spreading all over the world. That is Caligula. Who is behind this? Till now nobody knows.
Hello.
Ajmal,
Sir,
I told you to call, right?
I wanted to talk to you personally, sir.
Okay, come here.
I'll be there, sir. Sir,
Sit down. So,
thank you, sir.
file there, file.
File.
Okay, sir.
So, Ajmal, what happened to the case?
Sir, this is the paperwork for the case, sir. Give me the tab. Sir, this is Hastine. He's the MD of the spa. Not just that, he was a model too.
Oh,
This is Arjun who died. Sir, this network is completely modeling, sir. So people who are in this are completely models, sir. But the point is, sir, in our case, the person who is the main culprit, he has no connection to any of this. His name is Alex. What we have to find out is who is doing this, why is he doing this? This is the main problem that we have.
I'll tell you one thing, don't judge me. This is an easy case. Why are you taking so much time in order to finish it? Listen to me. You just have to follow my instructions. Kill that guy.
Sir,
There's nothing wrong in killing an accused who tried to escape. What do you say? Huh?
Yes, sir.
didn't understand.
You have done many encounters. Huh? You don't know the protocols? I was the one who told you to investigate. Now I'm the one who's saying it. Kill him.
I'm sorry, sir. Investigation is still going on in this case, sir. Within that, why do you want me to encounter this guy?
Look, Ajmal. I know the judgment of this case. Just for the formality's sake, we have to investigate. So obey my instructions. That's sufficient. Hey, why are you staring at me like this? The individual who's above him told him. The one who's above me told me. I'm the one who's above you. Now listen to me. He told you to handle this case. Now the order is also issued by him only. I think he's the one who's responsible for the deaths. Even though, if you ask me who that individual is, even I'm clueless.
You are doing your duty sincerely for someone who is not visible to the eye, right? Shouldn't I do my duty sincerely for the police department and the government, which are visible to my eye, sir?
Why are you so stubborn, man? If so, what is the particular scope for you in this case?
It is there, sir. Buddhi.
Intelligence. You mean to say we don't have it?
Sorry, sir. I meant.
Ah.
Buddhi is a guy who is in my custody.
Oh.
He is a model who was actually working with Arjun. Even he has the same tattoo on his body, sir. I'm sure he is connected to the entire network. We have to find out, sir.
Super. Take the call.
Sir?
It's for you. Receive it.
Hello?
Sir, the person in the custody named Buddhi has been dead, sir.
What?
Is he actually dead? He's dead, it seems. What are you trying to say and why are you irritating us, man? Don't think too much. I can give this case to someone else. Since you're investigating, I want you to finish it off. That's it. Pay attention to my words. Mani, sir, escort him outside. Sir, please will go outside, sir.
Sir.
Sir. Hey, Ajmal. I forgot to tell. Call me when you finish him off. Only in that case your daughter will reach your place. Sir, it's okay, sir. Don't take it personally, okay?
Yeah.
Sir, don't react, sir.
I didn't take it personally, sir. You can't do anything, I know. But I'll give you a personal advice. Don't be a careless guy like me. You also have a daughter. I have seen her in a coffee shop.
Yes, sir. We are at the spot right now. I'll get back to you ASAP. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir.
Yes, I'm gonna kill you now. I know you're not going to tell anything. Okay, listen to me now. A small 12-year-old girl. She lost her mother right in front of her eyes. One day she just finished school. She was waiting for her father. That time, couple of guys who are totally drunk. They may be around 40, 45 years. They have tried to do bad things to that small child. They have tortured her very badly. Exactly that time, hearing the sound of the child, a drunkard who actually came there, he came to the child's rescue. He beat them up with a log and he rescued the child.
Hey, child, are you okay? Hey!
That innocent child's father is none other than a police officer. It is me. And the guy who came to rescue the child is you. Seeing your photo in the news, my daughter told me. That's why I wanted to help you. But I didn't know they would use me to kill you like this. Now you tell me, should I leave you because you saved my child? Or should I kill you because you saved my child?
I'm prepared to die now, sir. Me and Ananya, we went there searching Arjun. Then,
If empty sir give to me, I will give you. What do you want?
is Arjun here right now?
Who are you?
His friend, Alex.
He gone outside with MD. Suresh,
Yes,
give
sir.
something and let him
Okay,
leave.
sir. There is nobody.
When I
in that
inquired
team.
about
Please
Arjun,
leave now.
they told me that he went
Go.
out with
Please leave
MD.
now. Go.
Other guy
Don't
told
look
me
back.
that
Please leave
they
now.
saw Arjun working in
Because-
this place. I was a bit perplexed. I told Ananya to leave. I stood there waiting for him. Even after waiting for so long, he didn't come. Everyone left. So I managed to sneak inside. Through the back entrance, I went inside. Arjun! Arjun! What happened to you, man? Arjun! Arjun, talk to me! Arjun! Arjun, please talk to me, bro. I came here searching for you, man. Arjun! 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 Arjun!
Excuse me.
Welcome to my world of modeling. A for Austin. You are Alex, right? What are you looking at? I wasn't the one who killed Arjun. Who might have killed him? You killed him. I'll go outside and tell it to everybody. The one who came with you was Arjun's girlfriend, right? I love her more than Arjun does. I love him so much. Do you really know how Arjun was with me? Oh, it's so sweet, sweet, sweet memories. Do you know how Arjun came to me? When I met him, I really had that first thought about him. He'll be my trump card. And he'll be one of the best. Do you know why we selected Arjun? I'll tell it to you. Arjun, can you stand up, please? Wow. Nice muscles. Take a seat, Arjun. Sit, 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 sit. Do you really know why we selected you? You have the ability for this business. Arjun, there's some rules and regulations in this company. If you follow them, you'll be model over here. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Wow, that's so nice. There'll be 6 months of massage training in our spa. If you complete it, you'll pass level 1. You'll be automatically transferred to level 2. You need to satisfy all the male customers who come to the spa. Hey, what are you thinking? Tell me, man, what are you thinking, man? He was trying a lot of things to become a model. You can't even be a proper masseuse.
Okay, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Oh, wow, that's a good, man. I like it. Your starting salary is 50,000 rupees. Plus, the customers will give you plenty of tips. Finally, one question. You're so passionate about this field. What can you really contribute to this field, man?
Sir, I'm ready to dedicate myself, sir.
That's so good. Naveen, come inside.
Yes, sir.
Come, Naveen. Naveen, this is Arjun. Look after him. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Once again, Naveen. Tell Buddhi to train him properly.
Sure, sir.
You may go.
Thank you, sir.
Everything was going really good. Arjun had secured his golden ticket. Welcome, Sanju.
Thank you. How is
Cool.
everything
How
going?
was your trip?
Wow.
It's too damn good. I would like to watch it again and again, Sanjana. It
Thank
was
you.
awesome.
Excuse me, sir.
Arjun. Come. Sit.
Thank you, sir.
Arjun, this is Sanjana,
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Arjun.
one of the leading model producers of our society.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now. Guess what? Shall I?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna break the suspense. Arjun, they have appointed you as a brand manager in their company.
Sir, you mean me?
Yeah, you!
What about Buddhi?
You need to grab the opportunity. Don't even bother to think about Buddhi.
Hey Arjun, there are thousands of models waiting outside. But I like you. Are you virgin?
Ma'am.
In life, either you'll get something or at least you'll get a chance. But I give you both.
Arjun, small adjustments, lots of money. Got it?
Sir, I don't want all this, sir. I can't do all this.
Hey Austin, I didn't expect this from you. Shit, what's this behavior? Just explain about me.
Hey, what are you doing, man? What are you trying to do, dude? These kind of behaviors are unexpected. Hey, listen to me. You're a good guy. Arjun, do you know how successful Sanjana is? Huh? Hey, she has helped me a lot, man. In my tough times, dude. Listen to me. Listen. You just have to do whatever she tells you to do. I'll look after the rest.
Sir.
Nobody can find out. Nobody can find out, sweetheart.
Sir! I don't want all this, sir. I can't do all this, sir. Please do this with someone else, sir. I'm okay to face the struggle, sir.
Shit. Okay, you're really a good guy. I'll try to convince her, okay? Come. You shouldn't go anywhere. Please, huh? Please sit. Okay, sit. Arjun, I just had a word with Sanjana. She is not expecting any sort of adjustment. She just wants a massage.
Sir, she's a lady, sir. How can I do?
Normal massage, bro. You can't do that to a producer. Listen to me, Arjun. Your future is in her hands.
Okay, sir. I'll
That's
do it.
nice. Go get ready. Get your massage tools.
Okay, sir.
You. What you're supposed to do is pay close attention to my words. Your mood shouldn't have swings. For that reason, I gave you this injection. Okay? The injection that I gave him that day. It was not meant to control his moods. It's something like.
Come, Arjun.
I'm feeling strange, ma'am.
Come on, Arjun.
Sir, I don't know what happened, sir. When I went inside, I felt really strange, sir. I shouldn't have done that, sir. I don't know what to do now, sir. I want to go, sir. Please, sir. I want to go, sir. Please, sir. Leave me, sir.
Arjun. Calm down. Calm down.
No, sir. I will leave, sir.
Arjun, wait. Even I have committed a small mistake. Usually, the cameras in the rooms are switched off. I switched it on unintentionally. Whatever happened inside has been recorded in the camera, right? That video, if it gets leaked, they're going to kill you. Your family will not be spared. So, if you want to live, ask my permission. If you want to die, ask my permission. So, ask my permission.
Sir, what do you want me to do now, sir?
Get ready for the show.
Alex, I'm stuck in a prostitution gang here, Alex. I'm gonna suicide and die here, Alex. Please take care of mom and sister. Please take care of them well. Please don't tell any of these two. Please don't tell her. In the empty room while we were talking, I heard it. Their network name is Calicula.
Hello.
Hey,
Yeah.
send Arjun.
Okay, 1 minute. Your favorite customer is here. Janet. Janet, man. She wants you. She only likes you. Go get ready. Go get ready. Obey my command and go get ready. Hey, take the injection. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Go! Go. Now business. Jun has that good marketing weight. But unfortunately, Arjun won't deserve it anymore.
Sir,
I had that injection. That's why I injected. Okay? Arjun is like a racehorse. I won't mind if he stops running, along with my details. That's why I need to myself. Arjun!
Sir, whatever you told, I've done it, sir. Then why, sir? Why, sir? Why, sir?
Yeah! What are you looking at? You were the one who killed Arjun. And you know what now you're trying to? You tried to kill me. And that's why I killed you. What are you looking at? This injection. This injection won't kill you with one blow. You'll die without any pain. Oh, shit. Even the animals kill only when they are hungry. But humans, shit. Do you really know the value of trust in your life? You won't get it. Cheating is way too easy, man. No one should ever cheat a friend in their life. Arjun! 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 I told you right. If a mother gives birth to a male child, the society will praise her, sir. Do you really know the value of that, sir? You know what? From life to death, every day is a struggling day. In the end, they'll die like an orphan, sir. Excluding this, they'll have a big dream. Arjun has suffered a lot in his life. Everybody actually saw him as a model. No one ever thought him as a human being. I did not kill Arjun, sir. No one wanted to know about him. That's why I agreed to it, sir. Kindly understand it. The reason why I'm saying this, it's because I completely trust you, sir. Hey, Mani, what happened? Finishing it, sir. You guys are done or what? We're finishing it off, sir. Finish it quickly. Huh? Sir, SP, sir. Sir, finish him off, sir. In this world, dad, mom, brother, sister, relatives, we can survive without them in our life, sir. But we cannot ever survive without a friend, sir. I'm ready to sacrifice my life for a friend, sir. Shoot me, sir. Sir, we really don't have time to think about it, sir. The order is very important. Sir, shoot, sir. Finish him off, sir. Sir, shoot him, sir. Sir, shoot him, sir. Why are you thinking? Shoot me, sir. Shoot me, sir. Sir, finish him off, sir. Don't wait, sir. Sir, don't wait, please. Sir, kill him off, sir.
I felt it was very nice. I didn't think it would be so deep. You don't know how to swim, right? But why did you jump in?
I don't know. I just want to save you, man. That's why. If I will die, what you will do, man? If I told you, you will not believe me. Hey, talk, man. I will also die, man.